Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Postal Market Analysis. Today is Wednesday. It's June 12th, 2024. Right now it's a bit late, 11:35. So, well, as yesterday updated, today going to have two punches. So one is the CPI. Inflation data, and another one is Fed rate decision. So future open kind of try going down and then found the bottom here and kind of coming back up and opening some kind of volatile, and it's able to stay above this kind of midline, which is between the this should be between the low of the day and the closing. So it pretty much kind of like that's the bottom, and overnight it went back, kind of trying to break above this level, and this is kind of a double of this move here, and then basically it's more kind of like going between there and the middle here and kind of chopping on the upper half of this movement. And this is what happened like at 8:30. So this is a huge kind of a push up, and it's fascinating. This 1 minute it moved like a 38 point. So from there it basically it's kind of like and if go further up here, basically this one is like a total moving like 48 points, and from there it's kind of chopping around and come back down, and it only retraces for about, I think here is like a 32, and here is 19. So it's only come back for about 12 points, and basically kind of waiting for the market open. As you can see here, market open up a lot. It basically gap up for 33 points. So, and later go all the way up to this 54.46-ish, and that's about kind of 94 points ish from the from the middle of yesterday. From here 53, 51, that's the middle of yesterday, and it went all the way up here. It's basically it's about like a 95 points, and from there it's kind of like it's basically kind of a double the range of yesterday, and from there it basically finding it way back down here, and by the Fed minutes here it kind of it went back down. It went down to this 54.16-ish, and this is like this is all what I call like a newborn center. It's kind of opening mid center, and it's right above there, and it's chopped and kind of big up and down, but it managed to kind of go back up again and try this kind of this level again. It actually make a new high, and from there, and it came back down and touched the middle of the high and close yesterday. Eventually, it closed at this kind of only about like 12 points above the low of the day. So that's kind of like a simple story. So it's like it went up for twice of the range of yesterday and look anchoring the midpoint, and then it come back down to the morning center, like the opening center here, and then push up to that twice the range, the double range level, and later come back down to kind of give back like basically give back the half of the upside move here, except it's anchoring for the from the closing, and for the closing is kind of close at this the level which is like only 12 points above. That's a simple versions move, and for now the future is kind of the future kind of like a positive. It's up for more than 10 points already. And yeah, tomorrow have let's look at the calendar. So Thursday tomorrow at 8:30 there are like a PPI data coming out. There's another kind of inflation data, and then also have initial jobless claims. That's at 8:30, and then it's about 10:30 have natural gas inventory, and then 11 o'clock have the treasury bill auctions, and 12 o'clock there's a speech coming from Fred William, and 12 o'clock also have the mortgage rate information and another data, and then would be 1 o'clock it has the 30-year like a bond auction. So that's about tomorrow. So it looks like it seems like it continue to push. So today is like after the market open, even though looking back to yesterday, it moved double already, but inside the day it only moved like 38 points. So depends on how we look at it. It's like it did not move too much kind of during the day, so that could likely means like a still lots of energy have not been released yet, and we could continue to see the upside. And for sure, I've personally, in my opinion, it seems I'm pretty sure that it's going to test the high again tomorrow, and if it can blast through there, then it's likely it will continue keep going up. And yes, tomorrow is likely going to move like 38 points. So if we look at 38 points, we're talking about 54.60-ish. So and if we double the range, if we say tomorrow going to be crazy, it double that range is like we're talking about almost like 80 points. And if indeed that's going to happen, we are talking about 5,500 tomorrow, which is possible, and it would be interesting to see that what's going to happen tomorrow and Friday. So would be curious to see whether Friday is going to be either tomorrow or Friday going to hit like a 5,500. That's all I have, and kind of wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.